If you're looking for investment in 2026 that will protect your money and still make you good money in returns, this video is for you. We are going to be looking at some amazing investments you can invest 1 million or even less or more in and make good returns from it. Let's dive into it. But if you're waiting for the first time, I'm financial Jennifer, an investment banker, a chartered accountant, a chartered stockbroker, but most importantly, your money cheerleader. On this our finance community, we are all about the money, investment, side hustle, leveling up financial. If some of these are in your New Year resolution for this year, hit the subscription button right away. Let's dive in. So number one on my list is gold. So last year gold returned 70%, like 70%. This means, let's say you had 1 million naira in gold last year, now your 1 million became 1.7 million naira. And you know the thing with gold, looking at the global economy with some instability, currencies are dropping, they're even kidnapping some president and whatnot. What happens is money begins to move to safe places, and over centuries gold is a known safe entity, and that's why even like 2026 we are not still sure what is happening. There is still some bit of instability, there is still some bit of conflict. Some are even saying it's World War III coming and all that. We pray not, but then gold is an instrument you can use to preserve your money. Now, how do you invest in gold? There are different ways you can do that, but there are three common ways. One, you can buy the physical gold. This can be in the form of jewelry, gold bars, or even coins, but then there is the security aspect of it. You need to make sure that it is secure. That's one part. Secondly, you can do digital platforms, right? There are some platforms that you can put your money as a sort of investment, and then they are holding it against, they will use it and buy some gold. That's a point. Now when you get to a certain point, they can send the gold to you. Here in Nigeria, platforms like Optimus, you can do that with them, right? And number three, which is one of my favorites, is ETFs. There are some ETFs that invest in gold instruments. In fact, last year one of the ETFs, ring, RING, returned about 150%. Yes, you had me right, even more than the gold itself, right? The another one, GLD, this is one of the popular ETFs. That one returned about 40 something percent. So you could also invest in gold through ETF. How do you do this one? Any app you can buy stock on, you can buy ETF. So search for it. So with gold, we say you can do the physical one, right? You can do physical gold, you can do digital platforms, right? You can do digital platforms, and finally you can do ETFs like GLD or the one like ring. Remember with this ring now, why did it return so much? Because ring, they invest in companies that mine the gold directly from the ground, right? That's why it was able to do so well. But remember, we said gold did over 70% last year. We don't know what will happen this year, but like we said, regardless of what happens, even if the price drops, it will still go back up. Please, have you liked this video? If you have not, please hit the like button. It means so much to me. Okay, so let's move to the number two, fixed income investment. Fixed income. Now, when we talk of fixed income, like the name implies, these are investments that from the onset, you already know how much you are going to make from them. It is fixed. The return is fixed. Regardless of what happens, you already know that at the end of the day, I'm putting in my 1 million, and they told me that for 1 million at 20%, I will get 1.2. Whatever happened, your 200k interest is certain, right? That is fixed income. What are examples of fixed income? There are different aspects of it. There is the one where you lock your money on any of the fintech platform, like the Piggyverse, the Cowrie Wise, and all. You can lock your money there, and they will give you a fixed return on it, right? I think platforms like Sycamore, right now, you can get more than 20% on them, right? That is one. Another option is Treasury bills. Oh my God, the rate for Treasury bill, recently, the government released some Treasury bills, and the rate went up higher than what they used to be in the past. So I think this year is going to be a nice one for Treasury bill investments, right? So that is another option. So invest in Treasury bill. You can do it through some commercial banks, right? Or you can go through brokerage houses, which is my preference. There are apps like Afrinvest or 2.0. There, what you need is a minimum of 100k. So with your 1 million, you can do a lot in Treasury bill investment. That's another fixed income. Then another one is commercial paper. Although with commercial paper, you cannot get standard commercial paper with your 1 million, because most times it's from 5 million and above. Commercial paper is you investing in companies. Some of these investments, you have discussed them in details in this community before. Don't worry, I'm going going to list all the videos on the description so that you can watch them. So to invest in commercial paper is also through brokerage houses. Depends on when they are available. Right now, the commercial papers available are between 18% to like 21%. Some could be more, right? So when you invest in it, just like Treasury bill, you already know how much you are making. And the beautiful thing with fixed income investment is sometimes you have the option to get your interest up front. So let's say I lock my 1 million and I'm getting 20% from it, that is 200k. As at today, I can say I want to get my interest today and then leave my 1 million. On maturity, I come back and take this 1 million. That is how the rich do it. And that is how we are doing it, because we are, in fact, up and coming billionaires in this community, right? So you can decide to do that. Let's say you have a need. Let's say, for example, you want to pay your rent and you check, I need like 1 million to pay my rent, but I don't want to pay it with my money. What I can do, I go to my account. Do I have up to 5 million? I take 5 million. Maybe I don't know, depending on the rates available, I can put it. How much do I need to put to get 1 million as my interest on it? I put that money. I take the interest upfront. I go and pay my rent. At the end of the tenure, you come back and take your capital you invested. That is it. You've paid rent with free money because your capital is still intact. And these are the smart money moves I'm making in 2026. So yes, commercial paper, Treasury bill, locking your money on high income savings account like the likes of Cowrywise, Piggyvest, Bluetooth Neo, Sycamore. All these are examples of fixed income investments. Oh, and there is also the one of FGN savings bond. We talk about them almost every month in this community. You can check the description for examples. Number 3 is what? Dollar assets. Dollar assets. Yes, I always recommend that you diversify your investment based on currency. It's usually a safe thing to do, right? Most of us here are Nigerians. As you're investing in Nigeria, some of your currency should also be in other currency. For us here, mostly it's usually dollar. How can you invest in dollar? There are different ways you can do this. Number 1, you can use fintech apps. On fintech app, many of them you can save your money in dollars, right? Some of them pay maybe from 5% up to as high as 8%. You can save your money there. And no, you don't need dollar. With your naira, you can pay in your naira and you swap the money to dollar and save it there. That is one option. Another option is mutual fund. Right? There are dollar mutual fund. You know, there's an investment we call Euro bond. But Euro bond, unfortunately, our 1 million cannot get it. But we can get a fraction of it because a standard Euro bond is $200,000. I know now, not to get money. Some of us have it here, but some of us, people like me, we are up and coming. We do not have it, but you can still enjoy the benefits of it by investing in dollar mutual fund. For dollar mutual fund, some platforms will tell you it's $1,000, but many fintech platforms is like maybe $100 you can invest in dollar mutual fund. One thing you should know is, number 1, they pay interest, but sometimes your capital is not really guaranteed though, because the price can go up and down. Another way you can invest in dollar denominated assets is through stocks and all, but that is the next one we are going to look at now, right? So the number 4 investment, you can put your 1 million naira stock and ETF. You know, now if you're part of this community, you already know we can't talk about investment without mentioning stocks and ETF, because investing in stock is, in fact, it's one of the fastest way. I don't want to use the word fast, but if you are patient, if you have the time to wait, trust me, you can make a lot of money from stocks. Last year, 2025, if you invest in the US market, S&P 500 returned about 18%. That is dollar. Then the Nigerian stock market, guess what? Nigerian stock market did about 51%. Yes, in the stock market. And some companies did way more. Like, there's a company that did as high as 1,000%. Hey, God. Don't worry, we have a video just detailing, looking at the performance of the Nigerian stock market. Make sure you watch it, right? Now, when you invest in stock, there are things I need you to take note of. Number 1, you need patience, right? You need patience. It's not a quick money something. How much do you need? Don't worry, your 1 million can get you any of these ones you want. Number 2, stock market comes with an element of risk. The market is volatile. It can go up and down. Yes, I say the market returned some of these and some did way more. There are also some stocks that dropped. Yes, my Access Bank at the point it was dropping, my UBA Bank at the point it was dropping. But if you check now, they are all in profit, right? You should bear that in mind as well. Now, with your 1 million, you can decide that you want to split. I can do 500k in US stock, I can do 500k in Nigerian stock, right? Any of them is fine. What should you invest in? There are so many amazing industries you can explore. Like I promised you before, in our upcoming 2026 Money Year workshop, I am giving you a list of amazing companies you can invest in, because sometimes what is happening in the economy is what informs your investment decision, right? We have done some of this research and say 2026, these are some of the companies we feel will do well. At that workshop, we are not only discussing how we are making multiple income streams, right? We are also looking at the best investment for this year. I hope you have joined. It's only 9,005. Oh, you keep saying 2026 is the year I make smart money moves. I am not doing a workshop. What are you waiting for? Just comment link. Yeah, comment link. I will send the link for you to join. Yes, so stock and ETF is another way to invest our 1 million. And the final one, who can guess this one? Who can guess this one? Skills, not just any skills, high earning skills. And then your business investment. Many of us, you want your business to grow. How much are you willing to invest in that business? You are a content creator. What light are you using? What mic are you buying? You're a business owner. How much is going to your marketing, right? And that aside, maybe you work a 9 to 5, or no matter what you do, what skills are you prepared to add to your portfolio this year that will make sure you become in demand year round, right? So that's another way you can invest it, is to upgrade yourself, expand your earning capacity. And this is the one that even has like the most return on investment, because it's something that is for you. Nobody is taking it away from you. And then my fellow investors, is how we are going to invest our 1 million in 2026. Let me know which of these investments we discussed you want to explore, which one do you have questions about. And if you have not, join us in the upcoming 2026 Money Year workshop. The link will be on the description, or comment link and I will share it with you.